Good evening, everyone. So, welcome to the Tosca with Anil. And recently, I have started a series on some real-time scenario-based questions and trying to provide the solutions for them. So, today we have a scenario like we have one of the folder, and in that folder we will be having some other folders that are starting with like dates, and the task is to we have to fetch the recent date folder. For example, if you see, this first folder is June 11, 2024, then the second one is like September 25th, 24, and the last one November 25, 24. So as per the requirements, this last folder should be copied from here and it should be placed to the target. All right. So we are using PowerShell for that, and we have script ready with here. So let us say this is the variable we are declaring and providing the source path, and we will be having the destination directory here. So from this folder, like we have number of folders, and from there we want the latest folder based on the date. We will be moving this to, or the copying and pasting this to target folder, and then we are just fetching the latest folder based on the date. So for that, like with the help of this Get-ChildItem Path source directory, we are fetching all the number of folders from this particular directory, and uh, sorting them based on the date time, and we are here passing that in the format of like yyyyMMdd. All right. So once that will be passed, and then we will be like sorting it in order of the descending, and selecting the first one. And once we are getting this latest folder, then we are copying this latest folder with the full name, and just the pasting it into the destination directory. And here the hyphen recurs that will include, like if any folder is containing some kind of file, so it will contain all the data including that folder. And for the debugging purpose, just putting the output for this copied folder. All right. So this folder I have saved as a folder.ps1. I'll attach the link of this to you know the description. So here the first thing, we have just provided the path as PowerShell as opening the module like a start program, and then providing the argument some kind of PowerShell hyphen execution policy by hyphen file, and providing the path where our the PowerShell script is present, and then just giving some wait time. And then in this particular, now here we know the exact folder name that will be going to copy and paste. That's why I have put that path here, so verifying whether this folder is copied or not, right? So let me right click and run this one, and let us say this is the target folder, and it is expected to move this folder, the latest date folder, to this target one. So command got executed. You can see the folder is moved to the target, and let us see the results. So here you can see the verification is successful. It says like folder does exist, and if you check into the target table, this folder was got moved. Okay, so that's all. If you see any queries, any questions, just let me know. Thank you very much. Bye bye.